Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to hide the desktop icons in Windows operating system. So let's get started. So let's try to minimize this. So here you can see the various desktop icons. Suppose if you want to hide all these desktop icons means. So for that what you can do is like you can just right click on the desktop and here you can see the view option. So once you go to the view options, so here you can see the various options: large icons, medium icons, small icons, auto arrange icons, align icons to grid, and last option is show desktop icons. So here you can see it has been check mark. So there is a tick mark next to the show desktop icons. If you just click on this, so if you just click on that, it will hide all the desktop icons on your Windows 11 operating system. So again, if you want to see all those desktop icons means, again you can right click on this, go to the view, and here you can see the desktop icons has been unchecked. Suppose if you just click on this, again it will get check mark on next to that show desktop icons. So again you can see all the desktop icons on the Windows 11 operating system. So again I will just click on this. So here you can see again all the desktop icons back on your Windows 11 operating system. If you go to the view, if it has been check mark next to the show desktop icon means you can see all the desktop icons on the Windows 11 operating system. Okay, so this is how you can hide and unhide the desktop icons in Windows 11 operating system. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.